Evening guys, Vince and Sarah here from Twisted Koi. I had to drop the water level today so I could put an overflow in, and whilst I was doing that I found lots and lots and lots of ugly, and this isn't fish waste, this isn't algae, this is, most of it is the shit that's coming off me feckin' roof. So what do I do about that?
Stop swearing, that might help.
But I've been running the net across the bottom, and we've been pulling up netfuls of this crap off the bottom, so I'm going to have to make it a daily chore, or even every other day chore, and then like Sue's doing now, skim the surface. Oh, sorry battery, you're going to have to wait. Yeah, that's Sue's doing. She's skimming off the floaty shit. But as I brought the net up, we came across Hanibal. So how about that, folks?
It's not even October.
Yeah. Look at the size of he already. And by the looks of him, from what I can see, because he's got a lovely little zipper by the looks of it.
No.
Yep, yep, he's definitely Deutsch. That means he's a Deutsche Achiever. No, he's not. Vincent, get it right. He's not. That makes him, let me get the camera sorted. That makes him a Deutsch Kajaku. I'll get there in the end. It's been one of them days.
Good day, Junior.
So yeah, I thought you guys would like to see his progression. I'm really pleased with him.
Now can I have a look?
So I'm going to pass Sue the bowl because I've been hogging it. But we've given it a good clean. Of course it's had a water change because of putting the overflow in. And look at that. It's teeming now. Yeah, yeah. And as you can see, some of them are growing really well. I mean, the main reason I had to put the net in to start off with is my black fitting there had fallen off while I'd been emptying water, and when it come to turning the air pump back on, I was like, where's it gone? So I put the net through the pond, and not only did I get my bit of black pipe come out, but I had a net full of moss. So yeah, that's what prompted this. And on that note, smells like my dinner is ready to dish, so I'm going to go and do that. We'll catch you later on the next one.